Did you know that we can use the present continuous to talk about the future? Stick around and I will teach you how.
Robert teaches English.
By the way, if we haven't met yet, I'm Robert, and I have fun teaching English. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. In the following skit, Rupert and Bob are going to use the present continuous tense to talk about the future. Take a look.
Hello?
Hey,
Oh, hey, Bob.
hey, Rupert. Are you coming over tomorrow?
No, Bob. I'm not coming over tomorrow. We are in quarantine, remember? I'm not going anywhere tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, my bad. I guess I'm playing video games alone tomorrow.
I'm sorry, Bob. I know we had plans.
It's okay, I understand. Are you still coming over for Christmas in December?
If things are back to normal by December, yes, I am coming over for Christmas and I am bringing all the cookies.
Oh, that's wonderful. I love you, Rupert.
I love you too. Bye-bye.
We can use the present continuous tense to talk about future plans or arrangements.
Are you coming over tomorrow?
This means that we already planned what we are doing. We already know about it. In the skit, Bob and Rupert already had plans to play video games together.
I guess I'm playing video games alone tomorrow.
I'm sorry, Bob. I know we had plans.
If this sounds familiar, it's because we can also do this using the simple present tense. For example, I could say, I work tomorrow at 9 a.m. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll leave a link in the description below and I'll make a link up here as well. So there are three main differences between when we use the present continuous to talk about the future and when we use the simple present to talk about the future. First, if we use the simple present to talk about the future, it's usually something that will happen very soon. For example, I leave for Montana next Saturday. If we use the present continuous tense, we can talk about things that are happening soon.
I'm not going anywhere tomorrow.
But we can also talk about things way in the future.
Are you still coming over for Christmas in December?
Also, if we cite a specific date or a specific time, it's more likely that we will use the simple present tense. For example, tomorrow at 6 p.m. I have dinner with my girlfriend's parents. But with the present continuous tense, we are less likely to state a specific time or date. We might instead say, I'm having dinner tomorrow with my girlfriend's parents. We leave out the 6 p.m. there. Again, you can use either one for either scenario, but it's more likely that we will use the simple present if we state a specific time, and if it is not a specific time, we will use the present continuous tense. Finally, we can use the present continuous tense to talk about something in the future, and we don't have to say anytime. For example, I'm running a marathon. I'm obviously not running a marathon right now. I'm talking about the future. But when am I running a marathon? I didn't tell you. And that's okay. I don't have to tell you. With the simple present, however, we cannot do this. I can't say, I run a marathon. It just doesn't make sense. So there you have it. Those are the ways we use the present continuous to talk about the future. Did you have any questions?
Hey, Robert. I know I will live in America next year. Can I say, I am living in America next year?
That is a good question, and no. We would not normally use the present continuous for this. This is because when we use the present continuous to talk about the future, we talk about a shorter action or a shorter activity. Living somewhere is more of an ongoing state, an ongoing situation in your life. It would be better to use the simple future tense. I am going to live in America next year, or I will live in America next year. Or even the future continuous tense. I will be living in America next year. But that's for another video. Now for practice, I want you to use the present continuous to answer one of these questions. What are you doing for Christmas this year? What are you doing for Chinese New Year? What are you doing for your birthday? Do you have any plans this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? Write your answer in the comments below, along with any other questions you have for me. I want to thank you for taking the time to learn with me today. I think you're doing a great job, and I really do believe in you. I'll see you soon.
Hey there! I can tell you like my videos. Don't forget to subscribe.
My name is Bob. Ba 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 ba. They call me Bob. Ba 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 ba. They call me Bob. My name is Bob. Hi, I'm Bob. Hello, I'm Bob.